everybody and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I will be doing a ginormous haul for you guys. I'm really excited. I picked up some great pieces. For the most part, they were very affordable. A lot of stuff was on sale. So I have a couple events coming up. I'm going to this workshop with a company called the Blogettes that help bloggers kind of like learn and network and stuff like that. So it's a 2-day event. So I had to get 2 outfits for that. And then also this weekend is the big Waste Management Phoenix Open, which is a big golf tournament here in Phoenix. I've never been before. All my friends have gone like every year, but I was always in college at Oregon, so I couldn't go. So I needed an outfit for that. And then I just found some like basic clothes that I'll wear on a day-to-day basis. So to get started, the first place that I went was the Nordstrom Rack, one of my go-tos, like my favorite store ever. First, I just picked up this light pink long sleeve kind of slouchy baggy shirt, and I thought it was really perfect. It's kind of just like my aesthetic. Like I feel like this is just me in a shirt. It's comfy, casual, and light pink. So I really love this, and just perfect with jeans, or you can wear it with shorts when it gets a little bit warmer, because it will be very warm in Arizona very, very soon. Okay, so the next shirt that I got, it was randomly alone on a rack, all by itself, totally misplaced. I've wanted this type of shirt for so long, but I've never found like exactly the right one. And it's basically just that what's it called, the wrap kind of shirt, and then it has nice big billowy sleeves that are I can't talk today, that are lace, and I think it's super cute. It's perfect for like high-waisted things. I just thought that this was like just such a perfect top, layered with a bunch of jewelry, would be super cute, really versatile. You know, you can wear it with like a denim skirt or like funky pants that are like all tight and stuff, you know what I'm talking about, like the funky pants. You guys, the next thing I got, I'm so excited about, because one of my favorite online stores is called Shop Lux, and it's actually in Riverside, California, but I don't live there, and I've actually never ordered from them before, but I'm always stalking their Instagram and like keeping up with their social media and stuff. But I finally ordered something, and by the way, I don't know if it was just that one time, but I got free shipping, and it came literally in like 2 days. Like it was like magical, and I didn't have to pay like anything extra, so that was great. So like I said, I got 2 things from Shop Lux, and the first thing is just this shirt, and I saw it on their Instagram. It just says champagne campaign, and I thought it was really cute. And I love t-shirts. I'm always in t-shirts. Like I don't really wear like super crazy clothes, and I thought this was a cute way to just wear a basic t-shirt. And then I got this layered necklace that was actually, I believe it was on sale. It was under $20, and it's like the perfect layered necklace because it already has the 3 on it, and I feel like if you're gonna layer, you need at least 3. So, oh yeah. Okay, this was $14. Like, what the heck? It has a little moon and a star, and it's just perfect for layering, and it'll go with a bunch of different outfits. Okay, so the next place that I went to is Nordstrom, and I picked up some bell-bottom, kind of just like flare jeans. They're more of a flare, but I'm gonna wear them kind of as bell-bottoms because they're not like full-on, like fully committed, but they're like partially there. But they're just the Topshop Jamie Flare, and they're just a nice blue jean, and I actually have these in a different cut, so they're really comfortable. I already know that I'll love them, but the leg is like that. I know I'll get a lot of wear out of these. And next, I'm just really big on anything that's comfortable, and with the Blogettes workshop coming up, I wanted something that will be comfortable because I will be sitting like all day, I'm assuming, because it's a workshop. But so I got these gaucho kind of like flared pants, and I thought the pattern was really cute. They're actually by the brand Billabong, and I thought they were just really cute, super comfortable. But you can also totally dress these down in the summer because they're just like, I don't know, they're like linen-y, so I feel like that's just very summery to me. But you can also dress them up with like a cute little heel, which is what I'll be doing next week. Okay, then I went to the mall with Liz, one of my best friends, and we did so much work because we were both going to the open together, so we were like on a hunt for an outfit. And so to start off, oh, we went to Zara first. Okay, I'm gonna start with the most expensive thing because I was doing so good, and Zara was having the craziest sale. Like the whole perimeter of the store basically was on sale. It was crazy. I don't know if that's like a normal thing that Zara does or not, but it was awesome. And so I got this sweater, but this was the one piece that wasn't on sale, but I thought it was super cute. It was like kind of like my colors, and I think it's really cute right now, but also you could wear it with like a denim skirt and make it more like, not summery because it's a sweater, but like more wearable as it gets warmer, I guess. And the sleeves are like really big and baggy, and then they're cinched. And then the next thing that I got was on sale. These were $9.99, really good deal, and again, really big into the comfort right now. So I got, again, these gaucho style pants, and they're corduroy, and I absolutely love corduroy. I love this color. I thought these were very unique, and again, you can dress them up with a little bit of a heel or down with like a cool sneaker. So I thought these were really cute, and then they have this awesome zipper in the front. So next I got this amazing jumpsuit, and I'm like very hesitant with jumpsuits because like I have more of like an athletic like body, so a lot of times it like doesn't fit in like my legs or something, and then like there's too much fabric like in the waist, so I tend to like stay away from jumpsuits. But this one was on sale, and it was a medium, and it was $15.99, and I was like, okay, I might as well try, like it could work. If it doesn't, whatever. If it does, hey. And so I tried it on, and it literally fit me like a glove. I was like, dang, maybe I should do jumpsuits more often. It's just this floral material. It's a wrap in the front and then goes all the way down, and it's like a little bit cropped on the ankle, and I really love it. It was very unique. I might be wearing this to the open, but I also have one other option that I found at H&M. Then from H&M, I found this really cute jumpsuit again, but I had a feeling this one would fit me better just because of the style. So it has these cute little straps with ties that I really like, and then it's cinched in the waist, and I like this just because you can, you know, bring it up a little bit and have it like billow over. And then just the pants that go all the way down, and I loved this color. I don't know, when I saw it, I immediately was like, that's perfect for the open, and it wasn't very expensive. I think this was around $30, and I'm just pumped because I feel like all of this stuff I will wear when it gets even hotter. So I thought this was really cute. It was very flattering, and I'm excited because I've never really had anything like this before. And lastly, I went to Forever21, and I got this pair of pants. I guess this was just the haul of like gaucho pants. I got like 3 pairs, not from Forever, I just mean like in total. But this was the 3rd pair that I picked up, and they were very similar to the Zara ones, but they fit so good. And like, again, these would be really good for the Blogettes workshop. So I have a couple options, which is good because options are never a problem. And so they just look like this. They're really, really cute. I kind of like polka dots, I guess. I don't know. I just thought they were really cute, but they were more so just really flattering on. So I just loved them. Yeah, I can't wait to wear them. And I think I'll wear these with like a more casual t-shirt, like the one I got from Shop Lux, to kind of just dress it down. Because I like more casual, like I don't really like wearing dressy things, so thought these would be a perfect way to look presentable and dressy, but still kind of casual and cute. Alright you guys, that is it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already. Comment down below any video requests you have, or if you guys just want to chat, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.